Good morning, everyone. My name is Harshita. I'm studying grade 1 student in Gibbs School. Today I'm presenting a topic of addition. Addition is addition is the process of adding together. Together is the addition. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. The sum is 9,56,989. Thank you.